Imagine this, a single equation scribbled on the page, yet holding within it the power to expose how blind you are to the simplest truths of mathematics. You think it's just numbers. Foolish! No, this is a battlefield. And the enemy is your ignorance. Look closely. The polynomial is, yes, it looks innocent, like a quiet shadow in the corner of your notebook. But let me tell you, inside this equation there is hierarchy. There is order, there is domination, because not all terms are equal. Some whisper, others scream, and one of them rules them all. What do I mean? Let's strip this creature bare. The degree is x to the power of 3, 4, 2, 1, and of course, the constant. The mathematics, like life, isn't democratic. The highest power dominates, always. You may work your whole life, but the billionaire with a single signature bends reality. That is the fourth power here. So, what is the degree of this polynomial? Not 2, not 1. This is 4. The highest exponent, the king of the jungle, the dictator of infinity. And now, the leading coefficient, some of you, the poor creatures, think it's the first number of C. Wrong! Leading doesn't mean first on the list. It means first in power. The coefficient of the highest degree term. And that term is, so, the leading coefficient is -8. Yes, a number that flips the universe upside down. When x grows, this coefficient drags your polynomial down into the abyss, infinity. Now, it collapses into negative infinity, a tragic destiny. Read it in the very bounds of equation. Think about it. Every polynomial is a miniature universe. The lower powers are likely ordinary people present the powerless. When the stakes rise, the highest degree term, that's fate. That's destiny. That's inevitability. You can't deny it. But as x approaches infinity, your rebellion dies, and the leader speaks alone. So remember, the degree is 4, the leading coefficient is -8. Simple. Yes, but also profound, because mathematics, like life, teaches you the cruel lesson. The strongest term defines the future, and the rest are noise. Now ask yourself, are you leading coefficient of your own life, or just another lower order term, fading into irrelevance? Choose wisely, because equations don't lie, but you might be lying to yourself. Px is equal to x cubed minus 8x over 4 plus 3x, 2 plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1.